In this part we continue the work. For filling up the motif, I will use small flower. Then I show you how to join them together. Make a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Then chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Make 23 double crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till you get 23. I have done 23 double crochet stitches. Work a slip stitch into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. The motif. Here how it looks. Begin the next round, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Make double crochet 2 together. Make the first one, make the second one, and pull through. Then chain of 3. Then I show you how to join them together. While making the last round of the flower, I will join to the main swatch. I will begin the joining from this chain space. This is the first joining, the next, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and so on. After we have done 3 chains, yarn over the hook twice. I take their backs together, insert the hook into the chain space, make treble crochet, chain of 3, continue the work. Make double crochet 3 together. Make the first one, make the second one, the third one, and pull through. Chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, and make treble crochet into the next chain space. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. I do not finish the second stitch. Make treble crochet, not finish. Это вставишь. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through. Chain of 3. The joining is ready. Let's stop and look what we have. As you remember, I used 3 chain spaces. Now we can continue. Make double crochet 3 together. Make first one, make the second one, the third one, and pull through. Chain of 3. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet, not finish, make yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. We have 3 loops on the hook, pull through, I used 2 chain spaces, chain of 3, make double crochet 3 together, make the first one, the second one, the third one, and pull through, chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the first chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2, and 3, then yarn over, pull through. I use 3 chain spaces, continue the work, make chain of 3. We stop here and look what we have. I have done the joining in the half. We continue the work. Make double crochet 3 together. Chain of 3. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I will use next 3 chain spaces. Make double treble crochet stitch, not finish. Then make treble crochet, not finish, into the next chain space. Then yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet, not finish, then pull through all loops on the hook. As you can see, I used 3 chain spaces, continue 3 chains and double crochet 3 together, then yarn over, pull through, chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, I will use next 2 chain spaces, make treble crochet, not finish, then double crochet, not finish, then pull through all loops on the hook, 3 chains, double crochet 3 together, and pull through, chain of 3, yarn over the hook, I use next 3 chain spaces, make double crochet into the next chain space, make double crochet into the next chain space, not finish, then treble crochet into the next chain space, and pull through. Chain of 3, make double crochet 3 together, and pull through, chain of 3. Let's make the last joining. We have the last chain space. Make double crochet into this chain space, then chain of 3. Insert the hook into the top of the double crochet 3 together. Make a slip stitch into the top of the stitches. The work is finished. Let's look what we have. The work is ready. We have filled up the motif with small flower. This is front side. And let's take a look at the back side. Today we have learned how to make simple motif made in Brooch lace technique. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.